Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to check out MIUI 7 again for the Yuphoria, but this time it's still on the beta 1, but the developer has made some pretty big changes over here. Basically the developer has went to a new build. Of course it's a update, but also from 64-bit to the 32-bit, which has helped a lot in the lag issue. Like in the system it was not laggy, it was like if you pay that price you get that. It was like, but it just more now, like sorry, I'm just saying two likes. um Cyanogen OS stock one has some touch issues, like in my device of course it is just touch lag, but on my UI it is not present at all. So let's just check it out. First of all, the lock screen, as you can see all the animations are working just perfect thanks to the anti-lag. Just decrease the brightness, that would be great. Okay, we just get into it. As you can see the navbar is changed and looks pretty this time, not like the KitKat which is quite old. This is best of the 5.1.1, not the marshmallow, and I guess the developer has ported this from Redmi 2 maybe. But the main thing, the audio is not still fixed, so you can't use it like a daily driver, but it's a pretty fast ROM. Of course, I've checked the headphone jack, not audio working, also from the speaker, I don't know why. But the battery backup, like I charged this device almost 20 hours ago and it's still on 98. Let me just show you. I've not used it, but the battery idle battery drain is like nothing on this. I just used it to download these 4 apps and it just went from the 100 to the 98. So there is 0 battery drain, 0% battery drain. Of course on the ideal, when the device is just sitting over there doing nothing. Sorry for the focus issue. You know that Nikon cameras are very bad in the low lights. Okay, sorry for the delay. That will be great. But as you can see, no touch lag over here. I'm just impressed. Like there are many animations going on, like the wallpaper system UI has been changing. Also this transparency is live, not like the Galaxy ROMs. As you can see, no lag at all. Like the 64-bit has very lag issues, but the 32-bit is like none. Also you do get a search bar. It was not working before, I don't know why. Also this Chinese keyboard, you do need to download the separate one Google keyboard in order to have like Google, because this ROM only has Chinese in it, for at least for the input, not language. As you can see I'm using English over here, but the ROM is pretty fast. As you can see the settings menu has changed and no touch lag at all. The ROM still not supports like custom kernel, which was before, but now not. But it's too okay. The ROM is very fast and fluid. As you can see, let me just show you 6.3.25. The update has came, but the developer has told me not to update because he have made some changes to it in order to work. Quad-core 1.2 gigahertz, everything is still the same. The hardware will not change, but as you can see it works pretty fine. System font, it some apps just crash in between, I don't know why. Text size small, medium, large. The camera works fine. The system sorry, okay, so as you can see that's a bit of an issue over there when you open the camera. At least if you like, and the exposure control is very like realistic. The image will flicker if you like turn it a bit too low. Also we have manual modes. As you can see the crash over here, that was pretty obvious. Panorama not crashed. Okay, turn off panorama. Manual, you do get white balance, pretty working. Also the fluorescent looks pretty good. I like this focus. The image might be a bit cramped because the Redmi has hardware case and we have navbar, but the image turns out pretty good. Let me show you. As you can see, the camera quality is same as the camera next mod. No image loss at all. As you can see, I've been clicking many images. Right there, clock. As you can see, this phone is a very like low spec, but everything is just fluid. That's why the MIUI like Redmi phones are very fast. Redmi, Xiaomi. Like Mi 5 is not like a laggy phone. That's why it runs MIUI. I don't know what's happening. Okay, there is the holographic animation. Looks pretty good. Like everything is have like a animation over here. As you can see, pretty good. It may not seem legit in the camera, but it's pretty good. Torch working, pretty bright. Screenshot works. Now buttons, this is not working. Of course, this is for the Redmi 2 to enable on screen and save a bit of a power. RAM management pretty good. We do get 1.2 GB of like free space, like yes, 1.1 GB of 2 GB. Like on the first boot I was getting of 1.5 GB. Like what? This ROM only like utilizes like 500 MB of RAM, sorry, which is totally awesome. No lag at all thanks to 32-bit optimization. The recorder doesn't work, or we can't confirm the audio doesn't work. Okay, location services. This app is also quite good actually, as you can see. Sorry for my English, it's just a bit crap. Also the assistant is not working. Continue. Okay, now it's working after boot. Looks like Siri actually. And this doesn't come with the Play Store, but there is a 43 MB package which you can download for it. I just forgot to do that. And the App Store is pretty crap over here. I don't know how they use only the Mi Store for that. Mi Wallet. Agree. Let's just check it out. Okay, that's a lot of things. Bug reports, Mi forums, Mi account, FM radio. I can't hear it. Update, don't update it. I mean just showing you. There is a like 6.3.48 is the latest update, I guess. Gallery. Go to album. Pretty smooth. No touch lag issue at all. So I guess only 64-bit ROMs have like touch issue. Now it looks like a Samsung phone. Very fluid actually. Only 64-bit ROMs, I guess. I will just check it out, like if someone has a 32-bit CyanogenMod mod, which would be great. Security. This like crashes a lot. It was not present before, but it will just crash in a second. Let me show you. If I like catch apps, packages, I don't know. Okay. Clean up. So if you have like MB of trash, it will just crash off. I don't know why. Check. Okay, everything is pretty fine working after a bit of an update. I don't know why, but the app sometimes just freezes even though the animations are working. I don't know. Music. Right now, no need. It just crashed. Okay. Themes working pretty fine. Let me just give a bit of an example offline. There is a Galaxy Note 5 theme also, which is cool. Roads. I don't know whether it was present in the MIUI 6, but pretty cool. But now the notification panel has a bit of a lag, but it still blurs in the background. As you can see, bit of a delay over there. Sorry for the in focus, I think. Okay. So guys, this was my review for the MIUI. Sorry if it was too short, because The audio is not working, which was the main factor for calling, which is not working, and it just freezed. Okay, there it is. Calendar. Let's just tour of the apps pretty quick. Memo. Weather. Looks like Windows apps actually. Video. MIUI for, oh, we don't need it. Chinese stuff. So guys, thanks for watching. Also subscribe to our channel for more Yuphoria videos, and peace.